boost the immune system. It also contains beta-glucans, which are a type of carbohydrate that may stimulate the immune system. And beta-glucans also improve the body's ability to fight off infections and diseases. The third reason why lion's mane mushroom is considered one of the top medicinal mushrooms is because it reduces inflammation. And there has been studies that have shown that lion's mane mushroom has the ability to be an anti-inflammatory component because of its wonderful health benefits. Inflammation is a normal immune system response that helps to protect the body from harm. However, we want to avoid chronic inflammation because it can lead to a number of health issues, including heart disease as well, and also it lowers the immune system and it makes us more susceptible to receiving different types of illnesses. Lion's mane mushroom is one of the top ingredients that reduces inflammation because it has strong anti-inflammatory components. The fourth reason is it promotes heart health. Lion's mane mushroom also has a potential ability to benefit the heart as well, and there have been studies showing that this mushroom has the ability to lower cholesterol levels and also reduce the risk of heart disease. The last benefit of lion's mane mushroom is that it enhances energy because it basically reduces fatigue and it boosts energy levels. It contains compounds called ATP and another compound called ADP as well, which is involved in the energy production of the body. So how can you incorporate lion's mane mushroom in your diet? There are several ways to use lion's mane mushroom. First of all, if you have access to lion's mane mushroom, whether it is dried or fresh, you can incorporate it into your cooking, and we have talked about incorporating it into stir fries, soups, omelets, and also I've shared with you some recipes. You might want to check the video in the description box below about how to incorporate lion's mane mushroom, how to cook it in different recipes as well. It has a delicate, slightly sweet taste and a tender, meaty texture as well. You can also take lion's mane mushroom supplements, and this is what I did as well. It's available in capsule or powdered form. It's available in tincture form as well. I avoided the tincture form because I couldn't find an alcohol-free tincture. So if you find an alcohol-free lion's mane tincture that is glycerin based, please let me know, as I'm looking for the tincture one. It will be more potent, it will be more bioavailable to the body, and it works faster as well. So I used the powdered form and I shared my own personal experience with it in a video that I made, which I will link in the description box below. If you're able to use a lion's mane mushroom supplement, I highly advise you to make sure that you use the lion's mane supplement that they have in the laboratory. They've already extracted the main compounds and inserted it into the supplement. That way it becomes more bioavailable. I highly advise you to use an organic lion's mane mushroom supplement if you can find one, because then you will also avoid the toxins associated with pesticide use and pollution and so forth. The third way you can use lion's mane mushroom is to make lion's mane mushroom tea. And in order to make the tea, you can make it yourself. You can steep a small amount of dried lion's mane mushroom in hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. You can also add honey or lemon for added flavor. It's really, really important to note that lion's mane mushroom has some small gentle side effects for some people who are sensitive to it. For example, when I took lion's mane mushroom for the first week and a half, I did have some bloating issues, and I was also more sleepy as well. So I tend to sleep more longer when I took lion's mane mushroom, and that only lasted for about a week and a half, and after that my energy levels started to rise, my concentration improved as well. So that was one of the side effects that I had. And also some people might have some stomach upset for the first week or two of trying lion's mane mushroom because of different compounds entering the body, and then it rests and balances out after the week 2 as well. So this was my own personal experience. If I were to take lion's mushroom again, I would highly take it. because of its wonderful benefits as well, but it's not advised to take it for more than 3 months. If you're considering adding this mushroom to your diet, it's also a good idea to speak with your healthcare provider first. Let them know of the current conditions you have, let them know why you want to take lion's mane mushroom, and get an informed decision that way. In order to take lion's mane mushroom, I want you to really be familiar with its benefits and also have a goal in mind. Why are you taking it? What is it that you want out of it? Is it because you want it for its heart health boosting properties? Is it because you want to enhance energy levels? Is it because you want to improve cognitive function? And then once you have a goal in mind, then you can monitor yourself, see how you go. Do you see a improvement after the first month or 2? Do you want to continue taking it? Do you want to maybe look at lessening or boosting the dose of it as well? And also always consult your healthcare provider. And this video, the information here is only for informational purposes only. It's not designed to diagnose or to treat any sort of illnesses, and I will include the links to the studies about lion's mane mushroom so you can read and make an informed decision that way. If you enjoyed today's video, like, share and subscribe. I would love to have you on board. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.